Assalamu alaikum dear students, I hope you all are fine. Let's start our next work for Iqra Joint Handwriting Series 3. And before starting our work, I'll take your small test. I'll speak the word and you have to tell the rule number. Please pause the video and take out your pen and your rough copy. So let's start our test. I'm going to give you 5 words and you have to guess their rule. Okay, first word is active, second is fever, third is digit, 4 is deny, and last is trace. Okay, you can pause the video and you can attempt your test, and after completing your test what you have to do, you have to open your Iqra Handwriting Series 3 and you have to check your test either it is correct or not. एंड इफ़ यू हैव मेड एनी मिस्टेक तो आप लोगों ने क्या करना है, उस मिस्टेक को अभी से लर्न कर लेना है अपनी इकरा जॉइंट हैंड सीरीज़ को खोल के, ताकि फ्यूचर में वो मिस्टेक ना हो. क्योंकि आई विल टेक योर टेस्ट वंस अगेन while we'll start our new work. Okay, let's start our 2 days work. Okay, I'm going to write candles. Eat carefully how to write. Tall upswing should be slant. Loop of L should be correct. Proper space between the alphabet. Candle. Now let's write next one. Okay, I'm writing hustle. Okay, let's write last one. Circle. Formation should be good. Equal distance between the alphabets. Triangle should be there. Loop should be correct like this. Okay, so that's all. Now let me show you all words. Okay, there are some examples which I've written before writing them, and you can see in these example I have highlighted something. So can you guess what is I have highlighted? Yes. So what is this? We can say that do you remember we have done in previous rule, I think it was rule number 4, in which we have discussed about syllable. Remember or not? Yes, we have discussed about syllable. So what is syllable? Yes, it's a part of word having vowel sound. Part of word having vowel sound is called syllable. Okay, and our today's rule is also related to our previous one, and as you can see on the board I have highlighted these words so that it will be easy for you to understand where are the syllables and where is the vowel sound present. Let's take an example of terrible. Terrible. It has 3 vowel sound, yes, and it has 3 syllable. Is that clear? So we can say that every syllable needs a vowel. Is that clear? Every syllable needs a vowel. हर एक में vowel sound है. Yes. Let's take an example. Another example. Here we have another word, whistle. Yes. इसमें भी will see तो there are 2 vowel sounds, I and E. here is a magic key and magic key की कोई sound नहीं होती लेकिन it's come at the end of the word. Okay, whistle. So here we have two vowel sounds and it also has two syllable. Whistle. Is that clear? Okay, let's another example. Bubble. Yes, bubble. And it also has two vowel sound and और इसमें भी दो ही syllable हैं हमारे पास. So let's have a look on the other one कि इनमें कितने syllable हैं और इनमें कितने vowel sounds हैं. Yes, here is candle. This is the vowel sound. Yes, and this is also vowel. And here we have candle. It's one syllable and it's two syllable. Clear? Okay, let's have another one. Hustle, and it also has two syllable. Clear? Okay, now look at the last one. Circle. It also has two syllable. So this is clear to all. Okay, my dear students, now what we are going to discuss now, let's have a look at the rule number 7 job 3. As I've told you, case rule number 7 is still not completed and we have to complete it, and it has 5 jobs, and today we are going to do job number 4. Rule number 7 job 4, as I've told you in example. So we'll see the rule now. Yes, rule number 7 job 4, little. Yes, and here's an example और इसमें भी हमें दो syllable नज़र आ रहे हैं. Every syllable needs a vowel. So this is clear to all. Terrible, whistle, bubble, candle, hustle and circle. हर syllable में vowel sound present है. So this is our rule number 7 job 4. Clear to all? Okay. So let's have a look at the previous one also, so that आप लोगों को revise हो जाए एक बार. So this is rule number 7, and what was the job number 1? Time E से time A से I, यानी कि magic E की वजह से first sound will changes into second sound A से I. And there we have second rule number 7 job 2. English words do not end at U and V. उसकी शॉर्ट फॉर्म में मैंने लिखा है सो दैट आप लोगों को याद रहे. आप लोगों ने क्लू ही ज़हन में रखना है ना कि इसका ये कौन सा रूल था. नो यू वी एट द एंड ऑफ द वर्ड. ओके, जॉब रूल नंबर 7 जॉब 3. सी से एंड जी से ज. एंड दिस इज़ ऑल्सो बिकॉज ऑफ मैजिक ई. यस, और आप लोगों ने एक और बात नोटिस की होगी बेटा, रूल नंबर 7 जॉब 1 2 3 और 4 जॉब आज हमने की है, और इन सारी जॉब्स में जो रोल प्ले इम्पॉर्टेंट रोल प्ले था वो किसका था? मैजिक ई का था. इसमें भी मैजिक ई की वजह फर्स्ट साउंड सेकंड साउंड में चेंज हो गई. लास्ट में यू और वी के लास्ट में भी मैजिक ई आ रहा था, और सी और सी से एंड जी से ज में भी मैजिक ई की वजह से साउंड चेंज हो रही थी. और आज भी हमने देखा कि सिलेबल के लास्ट में हर सिलेबल जो लास्ट वाला सिलेबल है उनमें मैजिक ई आ रहा था. क्लियर? सो दिस इज़ अ रूल नंबर 7 जॉब 4. लेट्स स्टार्ट कॉपी राइटिंग. Okay, here we have whistle. It's a high pitched sound made by forcing breath through a small hole between partially closed lips और या between the teeth. हम लोग sometime sound produce करते हैं. ये हमें पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा है, जो कि है सीटी बजाना. Okay, next one is terrible and its meaning is खौफनाक, terrifying, खौफज़दा कर देने वाला, जो जैसा कि मैं पिक्चर में भी नज़र आ रहा है. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ निडल. इट्स वेरी इजी वन टू अंडरस्टैंड. नेक्स्ट वन इज़ कैंडल. इट्स ऑल्सो रियली इजी. ओके, लास्ट नेक्स्ट वन इज़ टेबल, वेरी इजी. सर्कल, बबल एंड हसल. इन अ हरी, हसल होता है जल्दी में होना, hustle is called hustle. Let's start writing. Okay, I'm going to write whistle. See it carefully. Be careful while you are doing your work with pen. Writing should be good. Equal distance between the words, alphabet, sorry. Formation should be good. ओके सी, ये मैंने थोड़ा ज़्यादा स्लैंड कर दिया, लेकिन इतना स्लैंड टी नहीं होना चाहिए, थोड़ा सा हमें इससे थोड़ा सा और सीधा करना चाहिए था, ज़्यादा स्लैंड हो गया, इतना नहीं होना चाहिए। ओके, जब आप लिखें तो आप इतना स्लैंड नहीं करेंगे। ओके, लेट मी राइट निडल। Okay, and last one I'm going to write circle for you. You have to do your work carefully and neatly. Writing should be good, and don't forget to memorize your lesson. We'll meet inshallah in next lesson. Allah Hafiz.